So hi guys, this morning I gonna do some breakfast. It's called banana oats cake. So all the ingredients is here. I have three ripe bananas, and I have cinnamon powder. I have the vanilla extract, 1 large egg, salt, and blueberries, and of course the oats. So it is very easy actually guys to make like this, and it's really good for breakfast as well. So I gonna show you how to make a banana oats cake for your breakfast. I prefer na mas overripe yung banana. So, parang easy na lang ninyong mash. So, mas overripe, mas maganda. So, make sure na i-mash ninyo na mabuti para hindi siya buo-buo. This recipe guys is really good for breakfast, especially for children, kasi healthy to, kasi hindi ko siya lalagyan ng flour or whatever, just banana, oats, and some blueberry. So it's really recommended for breakfast. Not only breakfast, you can eat this also for your tea time, coffee time, or whatever. So ayan, after mashing the potato, the banana, ayan, looks good. So ngayon ay i-mix na natin yung oats, which is 1 small bowl of oats, equivalent of 5 tablespoonful of oats. So nasa sa inyo naman yan kung gaano karami yung gusto nyong ilagay na oats. So ako kasi 5 kutsara na oats yung nilalagay ko. So yan, i-mix nyo lang na ganyan. Actually very easy gawin to guys. Next is the egg. Ayan, so mix nyo lang mabuti. Napaka-easy gawin nito guys. So, kahit ikaw darling may kaya mong gawin to. So, yan. Mix nyo lang yung egg. Ganyan. So, yan. Half teaspoon of salt. Ito hindi ko na nilalagyan ng sugar kasi matamis naman na yung banana. So, less sugar tayo. Iwas diabetes tayo guys. Kasi very dangerous yan para sa atin. So, lagi tayong maglilis ng sugar. Teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So, itong cinnamon powder kasi is, ito yung nakakapag pabango sa kanya lalo. So, once na naluto na siya, sobrang bango niya dahil sa cinnamon powder. So, it's really nice guys. Try this recipe. You will love this. Mix nyo lang. Next is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So, ito yan, lalong makakapagpadagdag ng smell niya. Sobrang masarap to. Mix well. So, almost complete na tayo. Next is yung fruits, which is kailangan hugasan nyo munang mabuti. Nahugasan ko na siya. So, yan, blueberries. Optional naman yan kung wala kayong blueberries. Kahit anong prutas na lang dyan pwede nyo ilagay. Nilalagyan ko din minsan ng mangga o kung ano yung prutas na available sa rep nyo. Yan. So, yan. Almost ready na siya to put in the oven. So, kukuha muna ako ng baking pan at ilalagay ko. So, kailangan yung oven is preheated for at least 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degree. So, nalagay ko na siya sa pan. Pero yung pan dapat lagyan ng butter para hindi siya dumikit. Ayan guys, ready na yung paglalagyan ko na. Panalagyan ko na rin siya ng butter para hindi siya dumikit once na nilagay nyo sa oven at aalisin nyo na. So, ayan, ready to put na siya. So, slowly. So, ayan na guys. Ayan na siya. So, ito. Ayan na. Sobrang bango niya. So, this is my banana oats cake, which is really good and very easy to make. Sure, you will love this recipe guys. So, please check it out. The ingredients below. So, ayan guys, ilalagay ko na siya sa preheated oven at 180 degree for 25 minutes. So, ayan. So, let's just wait until it becomes golden brown. So, antayin lang natin guys kung ano yung magiging result, and I'm gonna show you later once it's cooked. So, it's really nice. So, let's wait for 25 minutes at 180 degree of the oven. So now it's here. It's like so nice, so delicious. Banana cake with oats. So now it's done. My banana oats recipe. So it's look really nice. So it's ready to cut and ready to eat. While it's still hot, it's so nice. So, makikita nyo yung blueberries. It's really look nice and delicious. So, it's really perfect for your tea or coffee time. So, that's it. So, now it's done. As you can see, it's ready to eat. So, it's like very soft. And see? It's like so perfect to eat with some coffee. So it's so nice and beautiful.